How to fix missing legal and long page sizes in Microsoft Word. You head up to your layout menu to configure a document, but when you click size, standard options like legal, A4 or custom long formats are completely missing from the drop-down menu. This isn't a glitch or a corrupt Word installation. Microsoft Word doesn't actually generate page sizes on its own, it actively inherits them from your operating system's default printer driver. Today, we are resetting Windows's print subsystem to restore your missing page sizes instantly. Okay, so let's fix the root cause inside your Windows settings. So if you recently connected to a label printer, a receipt terminal, or a basic virtual fax driver, Windows will restrict Word's layout grid to only what that specific hardware can physically print. So first off, of course, make sure to save all your work and then just close Microsoft Word completely. All right, I'm just going to choose not save. And then guys, just make sure to go into your Windows settings. You can press Windows key plus I for that, and this will launch your settings panel. Then guys, navigate to the left sidebar rail, which is here, and then click into the Bluetooth and devices right over here, and then go to printers and scanners here in this tab. Then you can just scroll down the page and ensure that the toggle for let Windows manage my default printer is switched to off, which is this one. Switch it to off. And now look at your printer directory list above. You can click on a standard hardware printer or select a universal software option like Microsoft Print to PDF, as you can see. And then you can just click into it and hit the Set as Default button at the top of the screen right here. You can just relaunch the Microsoft Word, open up your document, head back to the Layout tab, and your missing legal and A4 profiles will be fully populated in that drop-down. If you are trying to use a specialized regional paper size, like long or government legal, that still isn't showing up, we can inject this manually. So scroll to the absolute bottom of the size drop-down and click More Paper Sizes. An advanced setup layout panel will pop up. Under the paper size drop-down, select Custom Size. Scroll this down until Custom Size. Now move your cursor to the dimension boxes right below it, and you can just type in your exact target parameters. And after this, your document canvas will be unlocked and fully calibrated. Don't forget to press OK, giving you access to any layout dimension required for your workspace. That's it. Enjoy printing properly. Thank you for watching.